Good morning, Daniel. I love this bright morning.
Good morning, Sarah. I feel happy today.
We start a nice day at home.
I make coffee every morning.
Do you want some toast too?
Yes, I like toast with coffee.
What do you put on your toast?
I put butter and jam on my toast.
I choose only butter today. I cook the toast now.
The toast smells very good.
Yes, it tastes great every time.
I set the table for breakfast.
Thank you. I carry the coffee now.
We sit down together.
What does the sky look like today?
The sky looks clear and blue.
I love sunny mornings. The air feels so fresh.
I open the window for fresh air. It makes the room nice.
How does your coffee taste today?
It tastes strong and good and good.
I enjoy breakfast with you. I clean the table now.
I take the cups to the sink.
We finish breakfast quickly today. I wash the dishes every day.
I dry the dishes for you.
Thank you. That helps me a lot. I write the shopping list now.
What do we need this week?
We need milk, eggs, and bread.
I go to the store later.
Please buy some apples too.
Okay, I buy everything on the list.
I water the plants every morning.
This plant grows very fast.
Yes, it needs a lot of water.
This lamp works badly today.
Can you fix it now?
Yes, I fix lamps easily.
I hear the doorbell.
It looks like the mail today.
I check the mail every day. I open this letter now.
What does the letter say?
It says good news from my sister. I make the bed now.
I put the pillow here.
The room looks neat now.
I clean the floor with the vacuum.
I move this chair for you.
Thanks. That helps me clean faster.
I fold the laundry now.
I fold shirts quite well.
We finish this basket together.
I cut the vegetables for lunch.
I wash the tomatoes now.
We cook a soup together.
How much salt do we add?
We add just 1 spoon.
I taste the soup now.
I set the table for lunch.
I carry the soup carefully.
It smells delicious today.
Do you like the soup today?
Yes, I like it very much.
I feel proud of this soup. I pour tea for both of us.
Thank you. I rest for a while now.
We relax together after lunch.
What do you plan for this afternoon?
I plan to work in the garden.
I read my book instead. I read this book every afternoon.
I go outside to the garden now.
I hope you enjoy the garden.
I water the flowers now. These flowers grow so beautifully. I feel happy in the garden. Daniel, can you carry this bag? Lend your bag.
Yes, carry it, Relp, now. I carry it right now.
Thank you. This bag feels heavy.
These flowers look very pretty.
I choose these flowers every year.
They make the garden beautiful.
What do we cook for dinner?
We cook pasta tonight.
I like that idea a lot.
I cut the onions and peppers.
I fill the pot with water.
This dinner smells amazing already.
I stir the sauce slowly.
I add the vegetables now.
Dinner looks ready very soon.
How do you feel about today?
I feel very happy today.
I love our life together.
I wash the last plate now.
I put it in the cupboard.
Good night, Daniel. I love this day.
Good night.